this home may not be for you, but let's take a look and see. Welcome to 707 Aubepines Drive here in Orleans. This freehold and unit townhome is listed for $650,000. That might sound like a lot, but you will only have to pay $40,000 out of pocket. You'll be paying approximately $3,300 per month. That sounds much more affordable, doesn't it? For those of you who want much lower monthly payments, you could be paying $2,500 a month for this home. You just have to put down $130,000 to get the full 20%. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a fully finished basement. You also have a backyard that's fully decked, so very little maintenance is required. The home, this is a Minto home built in 2017, so it's still fairly new. It comes with a gas stove, central vacuum, so you don't have to worry about the carpets. The owners actually got the carpets cleaned before listing it. For all my smart home people, this home also features a Nest thermostat, a front door electric lock, and all 3 TVs are included in the purchase. Enjoy the rest of this home tour, and I hope you see why I think this home is beautiful. The reason I like showing you guys properties all across Ottawa is to show you what's available in different areas and communities. For example, this beautiful townhome right here, look at the size of this island. This is not an island size for a townhome. This is usually a detached property, has the size of an island, but no, you get it in this townhome. Not a single ounce of grass in the backyard, so if you don't like mowing the lawn, perfect. Deck is already done. These are the elements I like to show you guys, so you guys could potentially be like, hey, this might be the property for me. It might not be for everybody. Again, contact me. I'd love to show you guys different areas, different communities, and different homes. We can fine tune what you guys are looking for, and we'll figure out a plan to get you guys into the perfect home. I will see you guys next time.